Hi, I'm Matthew Lombardo, owner of Lombardo Landscaping. We're here in Fort Myers at another beautiful outdoor design project. Come follow me and check out what we've done.
When we first met with this client, she had some ideas of what she was looking for, but wasn't exactly sure what design she had in mind, other than she wanted to have a backyard that blended with the inside of her house and had a beautiful look. One really cool opportunity was that we had a wide open space which presented multiple design choices. I absolutely love these opportunities as it allows me to be really creative in my designs. Our solution was to design and build an elegant, free-flowing space that incorporated a Tuscan Mediterranean feel to it and create this elegant sanctuary that was comfortable, calming, and an inviting space for our client. Our entire approach was unique. We wanted to really treat their landscape in this design like it was a custom painting. So the initial view was really important for us. As you make your way through the sliders, you're greeted by a custom elegant fountain, which became the cornerstone or focal point of this design. The purpose was to tie in all the varying elements of this dreamy Tuscan setting and integrate the outdoor experience from every vantage point. We also incorporated a seamless picture window to really make the view from the inside to the out seem seamless. This space is also very inviting. For our client, entertaining is a big part of her life. She enjoys having friends and family over, so we created a charming outdoor kitchen and bar. Our goal was to create a space that Bobby Flay would be jealous over. The setting here now is truly as versatile as she wanted to be. This is a place to socialize and gather, or just relax and unwind after a long day. As always, we paid close attention to detail with everything we did. There is rhyme and reason to everything. In this design, we choose to use a premium travertine ivory stone for the flooring material. For the kitchen, we use Eldorado cabinets along with an Eldorado stone veneer finish. With the appliances, we use the high-quality Coyote outdoor rated appliances, not only because it enhanced the look, but also because they can withstand the outdoor conditions and the weather in time. This space has nice flow, and that's intentional. So when it's time to serve food, the outdoor dining area can seat plenty of guests comfortably and intermediately. To accentuate and heighten the overall experience, we included an appealing outdoor space underneath the stars. This space incorporated an Eldorado fire bowl as a center point. To keep with a more rustic Tuscan feel, we then designed with a flagstone seating patio area around the fire table. To top off the experience, we also included a raised herb planter, one for the aesthetic appeal, but more importantly, for the client to enjoy. Now, our client can just step out of the back of her house to a breathtaking outdoor experience, whether it be for dining, entertaining, or simply just for her relaxing.
So there you have it, another beautiful project and another satisfied customer. To see more of the work that we have done, visit us online at lombardolandscaping.com.